If you want to improve the user experience of your viewers by making it easier and faster for them to find information within your videos, and at the same time increase the chances your videos are going to show up in search results, you need to be using chapters, also known as timestamps. It's completely free and easy to implement within YouTube, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. This is particularly good for longer videos. However, with the rise of TikTok, Shorts and Reels and the 15-second world people are becoming accustomed to, our idea of what a longer video is might need to shift slightly. Highly debatable recent studies claim that our attention span is now less than that of a goldfish, which, if true, explains our need to skip past so many 15-second reels. So when we think of it like that, it's probably not a bad idea to consider a 5-minute video a long video and add chapters there too. The first thing you want to do is go through your video and work out where you want to put your chapters or timestamps in. As an example, I'm going to be doing this for a recent live stream I did with fellow YouTuber Dean Aston about his journey going from 0 to 6,000 subscribers, utilizing the power of clearly defined niche if you're in the US, I guess. Let me know in the comments how you say that word. Huge debate. Huge debate. Big shout out to Dean and all his channels, Kirby Enthusiast, Weber Enthusiast, and Gaming Enthusiast. I will link them all below so you can go and show him some love. Huge thanks, Dean, for all of your support. And you can check out the live stream at the end of the video. As you're going through your video, you want to take note of the minutes and seconds in this format and make a note of what each chapter's about. When you're uploading your video, you need to put these time codes and chapter names in the description of your video. The thing that triggers YouTube's brain to recognize that you're trying to create chapters is the 00:00, which marks your first chapter. It will not work if you don't put the first one there. You can call your chapters whatever you want, but this is an opportunity to register some keywords in your description, so take advantage of that. One of the most important things for the infamous algorithm is that you're using searchable keywords in your title and your description. So with your chapters, you want to name them not chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, etc. More like, for this one, starting a YouTube channel, how to come up with video ideas, how to make money on YouTube, YouTube super chat and super thanks, etc, etc. There's a bit of debate like, oh, if I make chapters and make it really easy for people to find the bit that they want to watch and they only watch that bit, am I shooting myself in the foot? Am I not going to be getting as many watch hours and engagement and so on? And I get that, but it's all about creating valuable content for people. And if people are able to get what they need from your video because you've made it really, really easy for them, they're a lot more likely to come back and watch more of your videos because they can trust that you're not going to waste their time. I know if I look up a video of something like how to boil the perfect egg, and it's like a really easy thing for someone to explain, but they're going on and taking a really long time to get to the point, and there's not an option to skip ahead to the part I'm really there for, I'm personally very inclined to leave that video and look for something that's given me a faster answer. We're here to serve the viewer, and if you can provide the highest quality and most accessible content, that's going to have a lot more long-term benefits than getting a few more minutes of watch time. The other thing is, if it's a video I'm returning to, therefore engaging more with, and I want to re-watch a specific part, having chapters just makes it so easy for me as the viewer. I love that when I'm watching videos. How about you? Are you a fan of chapters? What do you reckon? Let me know in the comments. And let me know how you go with chapters, and if you notice it has an impact on your views. I'd love to hear from you. If this video was helpful for you, let me know by hitting the like button, and make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. And if you're interested in joining my YouTuber Support Network Facebook group, there's a link in the description. It's a private group with opportunities to regularly share what you're working on and get feedback from fellow like-minded content creators. There's a lot of really spammy groups out there that are not at all helpful, so I wanted to create a group that's actually helpful, where we can support each other, ask questions and ask for advice, share our achievements, milestones and challenges we're facing, and grow together. I would love to connect with you in there and see what you're working on. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.